As a tradie, you know how important it is to build trust with your customers, and that right now, the cost of living is a challenge. For our recent research report, we spoke with 1,000 homeowners around Australia to find out what they are looking for right now and how you can make that work for your business. The majority of homeowners understand that the cost of living crisis has meant rising tradie costs, and nearly half are worried that increasing costs will mean they won't have enough money to complete larger home renovation projects. So what can you do about that? Give your client a couple of options. You're the expert, and there may be things they haven't considered to reduce costs and improve functionality. Make your quotes valid for 7 to 14 days and be upfront that prices may vary on the source of the materials. For larger projects, consider breaking it down into stages and clearly outline any progress payments with your customer. That way they can assess and monitor their budget and you can maintain cash flow. And for these larger jobs, set up flexible arrangements to account for drawn out projects.